It's a good camera angle. All right, guys, welcome to the. You probably zoom in on my face. Sorry, guys, I just had to fight a lot of zombies, so I'm quite out of breath. Welcome to the Chug a Coke and Don't Burp challenge.
Six and a half hours later.
Hold on, guys.
What is that?
It's doing the thing!
What are you... Bruh. Open it!
Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
We're not gonna chug the whole thing because I'm gonna get a brain freeze. I can feel the burp for me.
That was weak.
Alright.
Hey, you know what I thought would be really funny? If I just violently splash this into your...
That would be really funny. Stop!